Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And bingo! The code performs perfectly and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.